Hello everyone, this is Professor Munshi Shams and I am recording this video for my students who are taking CCNA 1 course with me. In this video, I'm going to discuss in detail how to use Ecampus, do all your assignment, and also how to use Cisco Networking Academy or NetAcad and find your courseware within it, how to do your exam, your labs, your reading, your quizzes. So if you are new to this class, this video should be very helpful for you. So let's get started. First, start with eCampus. um, Here I am. Once you log in to DCCD's eCampus, the way I would do, I generally go to DCCD and then click on eCampus. I would go here dccd.edu and then go to online tools, go to eCampus. So you go to eCampus first. It's going to ask your username and password. You input that. Since I am already logged in, I'm already in. Now it's going to take you to this landing page from which you are going to select the right course that you are in right now. I am teaching so many classes, so I'm seeing so many of them. The Cisco CCNA one, that's the one I'm going to choose and show you at this time. So here I am, Cisco CCNA one. I have this announcement page. You always should visit the announcement page and you will see my latest announcements. This is a must. If you're taking my class, I am writing all the announcements to you and you aren't reading them, you aren't following them. And several weeks later, one of you is going to wake up and say that, hey, I don't know anything, what's happening? Can I come back to the class? I missed everything. Well, you shouldn't be. You should be following my announcement, which I am taking all this time to write for you on a regular basis. So you look at the announcement. Next, look at your syllabus. You download the syllabus, this PDF file. You read it, download it, absolutely understand it. In the syllabus, what's very important is your course calendar, okay, which I also posted under assignments link, and I will show you. The course details, everything about this course is in your syllabus. So it's very important you download it, keep a copy of it with you. Okay, syllabus. Next is assignments. Now I'm going to give a pause here. This is very important. Read this absolutely thoroughly. What assignments are due and how to do them. I, I instructed you here in detail. So read them before emailing to me and asking me how do I do this. Read this first. And then here is your assignment schedule or weekly calendar. It goes week by week. Week begins on Monday, ends on Sunday. Right now, we are in week number 2, between February 8 and 14, and here is what you are supposed to be doing. Here is what's due for you. So make sure that you know what is due and do them on time. The next link that you need to check, so this was the assignment link. So you must go there. Next link that you need to check is class discussion. Click on the class discussion. You're gonna see every week you have a class discussion. This is week number 1 has passed. Right now is week number 2. I have not assigned a discussion yet because I'm making this video and in this introduction first, I'm gonna teach you that, and then after posting the video, I'm going to create a forum for the week number 2. Just to give you an example, here is week number 1. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will be seeing people who have posted the video, posted their posting, answered my question. Here is my prompt, and everyone is supposed to be, answering the question that I posted, and also reply to a fellow student's posting. Okay, that is your forum. That is due every single week. So make sure that you do your weekly. This in the first week, this was introduction. Introduce yourself. Okay, that is already been done. It's no longer available. In the second week, you are going to have another forum for week number 2. I have not posted that yet. I'm going to probably post it tonight or tomorrow. So that's your class discussion. Then comes your study help. In the study help, you have very important information: how to do course assignments. And here is the video link. Once you click on this video link, it's going to show you this video how to do your assignment and how to do your labs in Packet Tracer software in Cisco. You're going to have 18 labs assigned in this course, and each of the lab is going to have its own YouTube video. So once you click on a lab, that's going to take you to a YouTube video, and you are going to watch the YouTube video, pause it.
Your family has
do your lab.
a wide range of personalities.
So I don't need that.
And
but you know that each video, for each lab, I have a video. So you have no problem, you shouldn't have any problem doing the lab, because I showed you exactly how to do each of the labs. All you have to do, just copy exactly what is done in the video. Okay, so that is your eCampus in brief. Again, you have announcement, you have syllabus, you have assignments, class discussions, and your study help. Okay, these are the things you have at the moment. So let's go to Cisco Network Academy or NetAcad. So once we go to netacad.com, here I am, Cisco Networking Academy or netacad.com. I go there with my browser and I have to log in. So I click on the login. It's going to ask my email address that is added to the Cisco Networking Academy. I have to have an account first. If you have not created a NetAcad account, you must do that first before you are eligible to log in. And if you do not know your which email address has been added, reach out to me immediately without delay. So in this case, I'm going to write my email address. Okay, and then I will input my password to access the course, which my password is already there. So now I'm logging into the NetAcad. That's where your entire course assignments, labs and exams and readings and quizzes and everything is in there. So you must come here and do the. If you have not logged in to NetAcad yet, you are late. You need to log into NetAcad. Now you may have multiple courses or just one course. I am teaching multiple courses, so I have all of them. Here is one course, that is this CCNA 1 Introduction to Networks, and I'm going to launch this course now. Click on the launch course button. I am inside the course, and this is my home page. Okay, and at this time I am viewing it as a student, so I can see how you will be viewing it, so I can teach you accordingly. This is my course home page. From here I can navigate to everywhere. Okay, course introduction. These are useful links. These are not your assignment, but it's really useful that you do course introduction the first time in this course. Go through that. Student resources, system test exam, you don't need it. System test exam, you don't need it. I do not assign it, I do not grade it, so you don't have to do anything on that. Now your actual study begins with module 1 to 3, basic networking, connectivity and communication. And notice that you can click on it and it expands and collapses. Click again, expands, collapses, click again, expands. And what is under it is the module 1 to 3 course content. So you need to click on this course content. As you click, a different window opens up. Okay, a separate new window opens up. So from this window, you can, in this window, you will be able to browse through your courses, through all your topics, all your lectures, all your videos, quizzes, and everything. But you cannot go back to the home page. This is a new window. This is another window right here. That is where my home page was. That window is still there. So let me go to the course content window. From here, you can either click on here in this blue or somewhere in this page and just scroll down. Why should I take this module? What will I learn this module? Basic blah blah stuffs. Then download and install packet tracer. Very, very, very important. You must do that. And here is the video instruction. So I am not going to create another video. There is already video instruction for you in there. This video shows how to download and install Packet Tracer software program into your computer. You will need this software called Packet Tracer to do all your labs. This will be a lab simulation. So you can have your equipment, you can configure them by typing commands and everything. So without this Packet Tracer, you will not be able to do your labs and you will not be able to pass this course. So watch this video and download and install Packet Tracer immediately. So now going back down more, video getting started. Okay, so getting started in Packet Tracer, you need to check that also, another video. So here would be plenty of instructions for you, plenty of video, plenty of instruction. And then once you go all the way down to the in the page, this is basically a hands-on. When you see this blue, logical and physical mode exploration, this is basically like a lab. This is a simulation. So but if you look at my list of labs, I did not assign 1.0.5 this lab. This is not assigned, so you don't have to do this lab. Okay, all you have to do, go to the next. Network affects our lives, next topic. You can also go through the topics here in this side if you want to. You click on here and then go with the down arrow key. You can go down and check. This is one way to browse through the topics. Okay, another way to browse through the topics is once you're in the page again, you scroll down and scroll down, and then at the end go to the next topic, next page, and keep on going like that. That's how you're going to be doing your studies. Okay, this is all your study, your chapter, module 1 to 3. So right now you're in the module 1. I'm in the topic number 1.2.2, peer to peer, right here, that topic. Okay, so I can just simply scroll down and scroll down. But most of the times as you complete a topic, you're going to have some quiz here. This is extremely important. Look, check your understanding, network components. So what I'm discussing right now, how to do your studies. I have not discussed yet about your labs, about your exams yet. So, let's learn how to study first. So check your understanding, network components. In this topic, at the end of the topic, you have a short quiz. Okay, and say you studied and you do not know which of the following is the same. So you do not know this question, you don't know the right answer, so you have no idea, so you just answer something. Okay, and say you did wrong, so you click on check. And okay, oh, actually it did all of them. So I have to finish all the, this one actually I got it right, and these ones I did not do. So then you say, well, I didn't do it right. All you have to do, click on show me. Okay, if check means you check your answers, show me is very interesting. Click on show me. Okay, then it shows your right answers. So it is such a great study course where it teaches you every quiz that you do. If you did not know the right answer, all you have to do, click on show me. Once you learn, then you can do reset it again. Click on the reset and it's already resetted. Then you take the quiz once again. Very interesting, very wonderful. Next topic, I click on next here, keep on going. So again, on this side of the screen, I can scroll down all the way. Every topic that I complete, most, not every, but almost all the topics, I'm going to have a quiz at the end. By the way, these quizzes are not graded. These quizzes are not required, but this is your extremely important learning steps. That's how you're going to learn your topics. Without learning the topics, you won't learn anything. So, so that is one thing. Okay. Another thing that I would like to show you how to browse through these topics and your chapters is right here. This button. That's called Course Index. This button right here. So I'm going to click on the course index. A different type of screen appears. Okay, if I want to show only quiz, I can check that. Right now everything is checked. Okay, if I want to only do the text reading, I could do that. Interactive activities, animation, module quiz, check your understanding, videos. If I want to see only the videos, I could do that. Okay, so check and uncheck those things. This time video will be gone. So if I do uncheck all, first of all, everything is unchecked, then I only want to watch videos. I click on the video, all the video will show up. Very interesting. Okay, if I want to see all the packet tracer activities only, uncheck the video, everything is unchecked. Now check packet tracer, click on. These are all your packet tracer activities. 1.0.5, that is one. 1.5.5, that's another. These are basically labs. Okay, these are basically labs. And if I click on the blue and then scroll down with, say, chapter 2 has some labs, and your first lab that I have assigned that you are required to do is going to be 2.5.5 packet tracer configure initial switch. That's the one first lab that has been assigned for you. So if you click on this lab, a file will be downloaded, a packet tracer file. Before you do that, of course, you need to install packet tracer program. Download and install packet tracer program into your computer first, so that your computer is ready to open that such a file. Then you come here to the in this lab and click on this 2.5.5, and it will download. As I'm clicking right now, it's going to take me there. Okay, packet tracer switch right here, configure initial switch. If I click on this blue, then a file is going to be downloaded. Okay, so this file is downloaded, so I'm going to save the file. That's the lab file I just downloaded. I'm going to have to open that file to do the lab, because I already have packet tracer file, packet tracer program installed in my machine, so this thing will open for me easily. Okay, so that's how you browse through your course, and chapter by chapter, chapter 2, chapter 3, this is the packet tracer program opening up. Okay, and in the packet tracer program also is a lab simulation. In this program also you will have to log in, and first time when you log in, be sure to click keep me logged in, so every time you don't have to log in anew. Okay, your computer is going to be logged in with packet tracer. So let's see what it does for me. See, it opened my lab. This is basically lab simulation. As I mentioned, I'm not gonna talk about that as of yet. So let me first go back to the course. Now again, here is the index. Okay, here's the index, and I can click. By default, all will be selected, and everything is going to be there. You could simply browse through topic, all the topics, all the chapters, chapter 3, chapter 1, chapter 5, chapter 10, everything. You can go to any topic, and I can close it right here. Then the index, this page will be closed. Okay, so now you may say that, okay, I understood how to do the study, how to do the quiz and chapters and topics. How do I take exams? Where are the labs? Okay, go back to the other window. That was the course homepage. This is the course homepage. Okay, so here was my chapter study, and here is my course landing page or homepage for this particular course. Here, if you browse through, if you just scroll down, these are all chapters. Chapter 4 to 7, chapter 8 to 10, click on it and you see the content. Chapter 11 to, these are all the chapters, study. Now, here comes your exams, where this module group exams, this is your exams right here. Okay, once you have in one of the weeks your exams, one of the exams is due, you just click on that exam and take that exam. Okay, for example, module 123 basic network connectivity and communication exam, just click on that exam, and in this case it says assessment not activated because I am not a student, and this exam is not activated for me, but I have activated this exam for all my students, so you should be able to get into the exam. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. One way to go back is to on the top right here, all this breadcrumb link. you click on this module group exams again, it's going to take you to the home page right there again, back again. So these are your exams. You take one by one, and these are your lab assignments. Okay, lab 1, lab 2, lab 3. But you click on this lab only when you are ready to submit the lab. When you have to do the lab, that's not when you come here. Okay, so if you click on it, you're gonna see it shows the instruction about the lab, and you have to edit the submission, because I already have done a test submission. Yours will show no, not submitted, or you can do edit submission if you want to submit it again. And then you have to browse through the files and click on this icon right here, choose a file, whatever file, lab file that you already completed, that file you're going to upload to submit the lab. Okay, these are all packet tracer files. So say I'm going to do 2.5.5 packet tracer, that one. So I have already done that file, already saved it. Click on open and then upload this file. That's how I submit a lab. Okay, but I'm going to only do that after I complete the lab in packet tracer and saved that file. Okay, so so you come here when you want to submit it. Otherwise you don't come here. Otherwise you go to this lab 2.5.5, go there. Okay, so let me show you how to do a lab. Let me show you how to find a lab so you don't get confused beginning to the end. I'm not going to show you here how to do a lab. I'm going to give you a different video, so this video will not be too long. Okay, I'm going to show you another video how to get started in the lab. But now you have to find out this 2.5.5. So all you have to do, go to the course and go to 2.5.5. Here's 2.5.5, and here is your lab. Configure initial switch. Okay, so I'm teaching you now how to get started, how to do your lab, and how to upload it. Okay, actual detail of the lab, where to click, that I'm going to do later in another video. So click on this configure initial switch setting. That's 2.5.5. Again, I'm going to download this file. Once it is downloaded, I'm going to open this file. Okay, again, let me show you this. So I first have to go to the topic of the lab, download the lab into my computer, open that lab in packet tracer, and then follow all the instruction. Follow all the instruction. Here's all the instruction. It's too small writing, you may not be able to see it well. Okay, so I can adjust a little bit this screen. Okay, and the detail I'm gonna discuss in a different video. Once you follow all this instruction and complete this lab, then you do this. Click on file, click on save as. This is a packet tracer file, and once the lab is completed, for that lab you can write down that lab number 2 completed and write your name. My name is Munshi Shams. At the end I'm going to add my name, so I will know that is my file. I have done it, completed it. Okay, and I'm going to put in a different folder, perhaps, where I'm going to say labs completed. Labs completed. That way, in the future, when I need that lab again, I can find that file. In case something happens in my submission, the file gets lost, this file will be saved in the right place. So I can come and see that file again, upload it again if I have to. So be careful, save this file in the right place. Labs completed, I wrote my name on it. Okay, lab number 2, Munshi Shams, click on save. Now that file is saved. Okay, now the file is saved, I'm done in the packet tracer, so I'm going to close the file, close the packet tracer. Now I have to, after this, that's when I go here and to the course homepage, lab assignments. Now I go to this lab. That's when I have to click on this lab and now upload that file. Since I already had uploaded, I'm going to do it again, edit submission, and this file was not a good one, say per se. I don't need it, so I'm gonna go and delete this file. So this file is gone. I have to upload a new file that I just saved. Again, I'm showing you same thing one more time. Click on add, then click on choose file, and then labs completed. In that folder I have this one with my name on it. I open that, so that file now comes back. Upload this file. So now my file is uploaded, then I click on save changes. Okay, that's how you do your lab. So again, I can go back to lab assignment. Okay, so now you can see all your exams are here, module group exams, lab assignments are here, and towards right now is the beginning of the semester, so I just wanted to get started. Other things like final exam, skills exam, you have to scroll down and see all of them. So I hope that this is gonna help you to get started. If you have any question, send me an email, and I think that's enough for this video for today at this time. Thank you very much, and we'll catch you in another video.